Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the page not loading on Gumroad in 2026. If your Gumroad page won't load, whether it's a products page, checkout page, or dashboard page, this can set up sales instantly. So let's fix this quickly. Imagine trying to access the products here and the page won't load. You don't see any products, you can see your dashboard from your web browser, etc. So the first thing you want to do is to check the internet connection. Start simple. Refresh the page, restart the router. You can switch networks if you're using your computer. You can just click on this bar right here and switch between Wi-Fi networks. And sometimes it's just a connection issue, so make sure to choose a stable internet connection. The second thing you want to do is to clear the browser's cache. You're going to go to the browser settings by going all the way down until you see the three dots. Then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see delete browsing data. Click on it. And from here, you're going to select the image cache, images, and files. You're going to clear the browser's cache by clicking on clear now. And once you clear on it, you're going to click on reload now. Or you can try it incognito mode. Open the incognito mode like this. And then search for Gumroad like this, Gumroad. And then try to log in from your incognito tab. Now, if that doesn't work, try to check the Gumroad status. Now, sometimes the issue isn't you, so search for Gumroad status and check their official social media. And if their servers are down, you'll need to wait because the problems is on their end. The fifth thing you can do is try another device. Now, you can test on mobile phone or another computer, and if it works there, the issue is local to your browser. Make sure to keep your browser updated, avoid outdated operation systems, and don't overload pages with too many heavy imps. Now, page loading problems usually come from cache issues, extensions, or temporary server downtime. Follow these steps carefully and you'll identify the problem very fast. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.